Hello, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Investing and Trading Live. As always, my name is Josh Lopez. Today is the August 1st, first day of the trading month for the month of August, and we had a pretty good June this past month. Yesterday was kind of a snoozer. Markets did not move a whole lot yesterday, pretty sideways action, but today we're seeing some weakness come into the market. Let's see. Today we're going to cover the S&P 500, the Dow, the NASDAQ. We'll look at gold and silver showing major weakness today. I don't know what's going on with those. We'll have to check those out on the price chart because you know what? The news just doesn't matter. It's not about the news. It's about the clues. Well, if we have some time, we'll check out some currency, and we probably will be done before the opening bell. So we won't even look at any opportunities. We'll see what's going on in the stocks and see if could be any opportunities with that. So that being said, let's get into the S&P 500. Currently at closing yesterday at 457.79, gapping down. Looks like it's going to open up right around 456.16, so down about a buck something, $1.60, $1.50. So bringing some weakness in. Yesterday was actually a positive day, but it just didn't move a whole lot yesterday. A range of about $1.50 yesterday. And that was about it with the S&P 500. The Dow Jones closing yesterday at 355.57. Currently looking to open down again right around 354.90. And the Qs, which is the NASDAQ ETF, currently at 353.68, closing yesterday, but opening down at the bottom of yesterday's range at 382.32, roughly. So, energy sector, we looked at the oil market yesterday. Before we do that, before we look at energy, let's look at oil again. Oil is looking, yesterday was pretty strong. Today it's going down a little bit, which gets into the energy sector, and I think that one's gapping down today as well. So that one's going to kind of mirror what oil is doing. Looking at a price chart, not necessarily exactly the same because oil has been getting beat up for the past year and a half, but as of late, we are experiencing some strength in the oil market. So if you think that it's gone too far, it is high on the percent Bollinger Band. There might be some shorting opportunities for you, but be careful with what you're doing there because this is a very strong market right now since June of this year. Just rocket shipping to the upside. Same thing with USO. Yesterday it gapped up and closed pretty much at the highs, but gapping down here today. I don't really see any major supply, anything that looks real good up until about the 76 area. So that one will do what it's going to do. We were going to look at gold and silver. I don't think we've done that yet. Gold, closing yesterday, had a very, very nice, solid day yesterday, closing as far as the spot market, right around 1965, but currently at 1945, down about 1% on the day. So this one here hasn't done a whole lot since June 12th, roughly. Actually, it's the same price since July 12th. Hasn't done anything since June 20th. So this market has been somewhat sideways, but still in that demand zone that we had created back in July. So I'm assuming this is going to break today. So we might see some more bearish pressure coming into the market, more sellers. Same thing with silver. This one here is also gapping down or showing some bearish movement here today after a strong day yesterday. Bitcoin also down on the day about 1.7%. Any major movers? Not really. No. HNT up 0.2%. We're going to continue to follow that. That one's showing a little bit of strength over here the last week or so. Yesterday was a great day for HNT. Let's go. We looked at the currencies yesterday. I believe we had a couple opportunities trading the dimes. Not the pound, nothing in the pound there. Still, on the Aussie dollar, we have this opportunity short, which it's looking pretty good right now. I believe the New Zealand dollar was another opportunity. Long. Not quite yet, though. So we have a long bias here with the New Zealand dollar, but no opportunities there yet at all. So yesterday we talked about Disney gapping up. Today it's going to gap down ever so slightly, just about 10 cents. Maybe 19 cents, depending on what the open looks like here. So we do like our options play. Let's play there, though. Looking really good. Hopefully get closer to the premium and close that out and potentially do that again. But there is earnings coming up on Wednesday, August 9th, so most likely won't be doing an options play on that, especially Disney, until then. Plus, it's coming out of the percent Bollinger Band. It's about halfway up at about 64%. Looking at Netflix, that was up yesterday about 3%. Pretty good move. It was going to be gapping down ever so slightly. Other than that, no real big movers. AMC was up 7% yesterday. This is one of those woulda, coulda, shouldas. There was a nice $3 strike that was giving some good premium right after I closed that last one. But, that's the name of the game. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. There's always another opportunity out there. Plug, whatever that is, Plug Power, up 10%. This one's showing some strength here. This one's up about 75% since May. Don't even know what it is, but whatever. We have a couple other movers. Nothing really standing out. Carvana's still up. It showed some weakness after that major gap up right into that supply zone. Textbook. Dropping right out of that. Gave an offering about a 2.5 to 1 right out of the gate there. So let's just quick market overview. Not a whole lot of movement yesterday. Hopefully we'll get some more movement today. We'll peek at some more currencies moving forward with trading the dimes. We did a trading the dimes show about 2 years ago, explaining that just different opportunities with the market. So we'll look at more currencies coming up here, getting back into that, and then as markets open, we'll try to do more shows when we can do that, so we can scan for options opportunities. But as always, collect your profits when they are given to you. Protect your losses when they are small. Until next time, retire young, my friends.